With the dismissal order of the local chief executive and suspension of the vice mayor and city councilors of Banban, Tarlac in connection with the presence of illegal Philippine offshore gaming operators or POGOs, only one local official was deemed fit to take over as mayor. Who that official is and why he was the lone choice, Patrick De Jesus reveals in this report.
The new acting mayor of Banban, Tarlac has formally taken his oath of office after the Ombudsman dismissal order on former Mayor Alice Guo due to grave misconduct related to her involvement with POGOs. He is Councilor Eranio Timbang, a member of the Banban Municipal Council. Timbang's appointment aims to prevent a leadership vacuum and to ensure continued government service to the residents, especially since the Vice Mayor is suspended for 3 months, along with the remaining council members.
Importante, dire-diretso po ang serbisyo natin sa publiko, no? Para walang vacuum, ika nga. Dahil kailangan mo magsasweldo ng mga empleyado, yung sa tubig, etc., at yung mga permits, lalo na yun.
It can be noted that Timbang was the only one exonerated in the Ombudsman case, given his opposing stance, the only one in the council, against the raided POGO compound where Guo is linked. According to Timbang, he has been against having a POGO in their area from the start.
Nangibabaw po yung katotohanan sa amin. Nakakalungkot po, nakilala kami sa ganitong pamamaraan. Sa simula't simula pa lang po, pagtuntong ko pa lang, nanalo ko bilang independent, naramdaman ko na po na hindi po ako kaalyado talaga nila. Na-outnumber po ako, lalo na po sa usaping legal, na kahit na malipal, kahit na baluktot, nagiging tama yung baluktot, nagiging diretso.
The DILG will form a screening committee to temporarily fill out the 5 vacant positions, while 3 will be elected by the local party. Secretary Abalos welcomes the Ombudsman decision regarding Guo and hopes that the supporters of the removed mayor will respect it.
Sana galangin po natin ang desisyon ng korte dahil alam naman natin na ang isang bansang demokrasya ang basihan nito at parati ang hustisya, no? At ang hustisya ang basihan ng batas. Ito'y dumaan sa proseso, sana galangin na lang po natin ito.
The secretary added, the decision on Guo should serve as a warning to other LGU officials involved in POGO and illegal activities.
Sabi nga nila, malaki ang iyong pribileyo bilang mayor, pero malaki rin ang iyong responsibilidad. Kaya dapat magdoble ingat ka dyan. No? Yun lang siguro, maging mapanuri po tayo rito sa mga gagawin natin.
The Commission on Elections will continue its investigation against Guo. This is despite the final decision of the Office of the Ombudsman. She was also disqualified from holding any government position. Yesterday, COMELEC served the subpoena to Guo at the office of the mayor of Banban. This is related to the complaint of misrepresentation concerning the certificate of candidacy she submitted. Guo is given 10 days to respond to the complaint against her.
Nag-serve po ang COMELEC Law Department kasama ang aming regional office ng tinatawag na subpoena. Ito po isang formal na notice sa respondent kay Mayor Alice Guo na siya ay sinampahan ng kasong misrepresentation na may pagkakakulong ng 1 hanggang 6 taong nagtataon.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better